from Julian Modern Property Management, and I'm here today to talk through 3 useful tips to stay warm this winter. The first tip is just to get your boilers turned on. So with the fantastic summer we've had in the UK, it's probably safe to say that not many of us have had use of the heating over the past few months. So we would recommend just get your boilers turned on, make sure everything's running smoothly, and if it's not, just let us know. The second tip is to have the boiler gas safety checked, and also we would recommend a service. So for you landlords out there, a gas safety check is a legal requirement, whereas a service isn't. So with your gas safety checks, that does make sure that the boiler is safe, but a service is more like an MOT for your boiler, which we would recommend just to make sure that it is working correctly and just to keep on top of maintenance. And my third and final tip for you is just to check the water pressure and the boiler pressure is where it should be. So for most boilers it should be between 1 and 1.5 bars. If it is anything lower than that, or around 0.5, then you would need to top your boiler up using the filling loop. And if your boiler pressure is low, your boiler will just lock down, so it won't fire up and you won't be able to get any heating or hot water. So if you have got any questions about what I've been discussing with you today, or if you do have any problems in a managed property of ours, then you can use our fixed flow system to report this, or just give us a call in the office. Alright, thank you, bye.